Hi friends, welcome to Natpudan Sasha. Today in this video, we are going to see the easy way of making a paper flower. For this, I have taken 5 numbers of 10 into 10 cm paper for making the petals, 10 into 5 cm paper for making the stem, 8 into 4 cm paper for making the leaf, and 3 into 2 cm paper for making the pistil. To make the petals, fold the paper into half diagonally. Again fold it into half diagonally to create a center line impression and then unfold it. Fold the right corner towards the center and crease it well. Do the same for left corner also. Open the right fold and press it from the center like this. Repeat the same for left fold as well. Now tuck the edge which is protruding out inside the fold on both the sides like this. Now, one more small fold from the right and left side like this. Join the flaps with the glue which forms the petal shape. Create 4 more petals like this. Join all the petals together like this with glue. To make the stem, roll the paper and paste its edge like this. Create a cut at the tip of the stem, apply some glue and join with the petals like this. To make the pistil, roll the 3x2 size paper like this and insert it in the center of the petals. To make the leaf, cut the paper in a leaf shape. Now, paste the leaf on the stem. Now the flower is ready. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Also leave your comments below. I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, bye bye from Sasha.